Hello. I want to take a minute to go over a feature added to Vicinity 4.45, which is our December 31st, 2023 release. Specifically, we added some functionality in the production schedule and the production calendar screens. We have a number of clients that have a number of batches and/or planned orders, and they want to filter this list of planned orders and batches to something that's meaningful to them. So we added in this release, we added a filter bar or filter box, and this will filter the records being shown below in the left-hand panel by either component ID, component description, formula ID, formula description, the document number, so either the planned order number or the batch number. So there's a lot of kind of filtering capability gone into this particular feature. And it's on both the production schedule screen as well as the production calendar screen. I'll show you that in just a second. The new field is listed here, and all you really need to do is start typing part of what you want to filter by. So I just typed in red, and it got rid of anything that did not have red in either the component ID, the formula ID, or both descriptions, as well as the document numbers. If I change that here, say to chocolate, I'll see that I've got my chocolate coming in. This is a contains query, so it can be anywhere in the field. There are two fields that you're not seeing listed here that it is filtering on, and that is the descriptions. So in this case, for example, this item, this batch, for example, you don't see red anywhere in it. However, if I were to navigate, drill back into that specific batch number, having it open up batch entry as well as call up that batch number, I'll find that the end item component actually has red in its description. So it's dynamically looking at all of those fields for you. Now, one thing to note is this action, this filter is real time. So as soon as I start typing, I get this list updated. However, we do need you to press the apply filter so that the Gantt chart will sync. This apply filter will actually go and do the call for the grid and have the grid actually refresh. So this Gantt chart will actually refresh. So if you're seeing activity by using the filter and you're not able to see it change on the Gantt chart, just go ahead and hit that apply filter, and it'll go ahead and sync that up and get it taken care of for you. So this is an example of something that came to us from a client that was really struggling with kind of getting their hands around a myriad of data that they had, and they needed the user to be able to drill a filter and then drill directly into a transaction to take care of the scheduling challenge. Anyway, so we hope this helps. Let me show you what happens over on the calendar. It is identical. The difference is just that the calendar doesn't have that Gantt chart. So what you're going to find is that filter that we've added right here will actually automatically filter out. So here, if I put in chocolate, for example, you can see it filtered out my reds, my paint in my demo company. Conversely, if I do it that way. So it's immediate on the calendar because of this control can automatically update and automatically sync. We need you to press the apply filter for the schedule view. So anyway, as I was saying, this came from a client that needed a little bit of help limiting the amount of data that they were seeing on the calendar and or the schedule, and I think this was really going to help them out, and we forwarded it out to all of the other clients. If you have any other suggestions, requirements, please reach out to us, and we'd be happy to talk with you about it. Thanks a lot, and have a great day.